AI-powered simulation and virtual reality in medical training, current trends and future prospects. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and virtual reality, VR, in medical training has revolutionized the learning experience by providing immersive, interactive, and adaptive simulations. AI-powered VR platforms enable personalized training, real-time feedback, and risk-free environments for skill acquisition, making them valuable tools for medical education and surgical practice. This review explores the current advancements in AI-driven VR simulations, including their applications in clinical skills training, patient management, and surgical procedures. Additionally, the challenges associated with implementation, such as cost, accessibility, and ethical considerations, were analyzed. The future prospects of AI in medical training are also discussed, highlighting potential innovations such as haptic feedback integration, natural language processing for virtual patient interactions, and AI-driven assessment tools. AI-powered VR simulations are poised to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical expertise, transforming the future of medical education. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence, AI, and virtual reality, VR, is changing the way medical students and professionals are trained. These advanced technologies offer a safe and controlled environment for learners to practice important medical skills and decision-making without putting real patients at risk. Medical education involves not only learning complex theories but also mastering hands-on procedures like giving injections or performing surgery. AI and VR make this process easier and more engaging by creating realistic simulations that mimic real-life medical situations. Unlike traditional training methods that rely on cadavers or live patients, AI-powered VR allows students to repeat procedures multiple times and get instant feedback. This helps them improve their skills, boost confidence, and retain knowledge better. VR training is already being used in areas like surgery, emergency care, and diagnostics, making it easier to learn complicated procedures such as CPR or brain surgery in a digital format. However, these technologies also come with challenges such as high costs, limited access, and ethical concerns around data privacy and virtual decision-making. Despite these issues, AI and VR are promising tools that have the potential to greatly improve the quality and effectiveness of medical education in the future. AI-powered VR has emerged as a transformative tool in medical education, enhancing learning experiences through immersive, interactive, and personalized training environments. Despite challenges related to cost, accessibility, and ethical considerations, continued advancements in AI and VR technologies hold significant potential to reshape the future of medical training. By integrating AI-driven analytics, haptic feedback, and NLP-based virtual patients, medical education can evolve into a more effective and globally accessible system for training future healthcare professionals. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.